guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video about unpacking the best tulle ribbons I've ever seen. Just this package arrived a couple of minutes ago, and let's see what is inside. So it's empty, and let's see. Here, the best to see tulle ribbon is to use navy blue, dark color, so black ribbons, or gross grain or satin. Here's double-faced satin ribbon, and this way we can see the pattern. Look, it's amazing, holographic, very sparkly. Look at the sun. Hearts. That is very gorgeous for the hairbows. Also in this pink color, here's white color, there's pinkish color, the same hearts. All tulle ribbons are packed very well. So it's backside. Backside is not shiny, not at all. And this is holographic print. This way. I must say, guys, all those tulle ribbons are on my Etsy shop. So for you it's possible to purchase them. Here is the same hearts but black color. For the black we can use also dark or light first layer of the bow, or if you don't like to use under layer, it's amazing just to have hair bow, like for example I did here. This so vinyl holographic under, and to make the hair bow very light. This way. It's very sparkly. I would use something lighter under, but it depends. Amazing. Very shiny. Also hard style. Here we have stars. I have 3 with stars. Now here we have one more. Oh guys, look at this, it's gorgeous teal color with hearts also. For summer it's amazing. Look. So here 4 colors: white, pink, blue and black color. We have 3 with stars. That's for summer, amazing. Summer vacation. This galaxy holographic stars. Let's see on the blue. Wow. Amazing. Here's the same but teal color. It's not so transparent. It's more like bluish color. It's brighter. Here it's more transparent. If you see, those holes are more transparent. It's less color here and more color in this with stars. But at the same time, more holographic dots. Amazing. And pink. Pink is the same. All right. Here we have with butterflies, 2 with butterflies. One is white, another one is beige. Nice. It's not so shiny like this one, for example. This more holographic dots and hearts, and here also shinier. This is, it's like calmer, like simpler, but also gorgeous, very beautiful. Two of them. Here I have 2 white and navy. No, it's black. Wow. Amazing. For the hair bow is just wow. Very sparkly. Very shiny. And white. Let's see white. As you noticed, guys, the dark colors are shinier, more visible. For the lighter colors, for the tulle ribbons, it's the best to use. Look, something darker like this to see the pattern. So it's very thin, light, the quality is very good. Here we have 1, 2, and 3 black, beige, and navy color. It's like cluster. Very, very thin. You barely feel it. With navy color is amazing. Hairbow. Gorgeous. And also some print here alone. That is navy. No, this is black. It's actually black color, but it's very light. Let's see navy. Scissors, probably better to open them here. So thin. That is amazing. I'm so happy with this. Oh. And beige. Beige is less visible, but with sunlight, with sunlight it will be a sparkler, more visible. It's the thinnest out of all. That is just amazing. Okay, 3 colors of this. This one is black. Wow, that is even all of them are pretty. It's just different ideas. And the black. This is just one of them. Very sparkly, very shiny. Here, one of them for New Year. Let's cut it carefully, this plastic. Look, each snowflake is different colors and holographic. Also very thin. Not so sparkly though, but beautiful. All right, and the last one what we have is this one. That is my favorite. Let's see the, it's cut. Guys, those ribbons are 60 millimeters. Yeah, 60. And this, all of them 60 centimeters, and this one is wider. See, this one is 75. Also very soft. To make it not so soft, stiffer, you can use just hairspray with strong fixation. So when the bow is ready, like this, so imagine that is a bow. Not to make it too soft, too wobbly, like this. I used the same. That was the same Tulle ribbon, but I used hairspray, the extra strong fixation, and it's keeping the shape. Also, this one, if you use without the gross grain ribbon or satin ribbon, it's pretty low. But again, use hairspray and it will keep the shape. All right, as I said, that all gross grain ribbons are on my Etsy shop now, so choose what you like. So for me, ideas. Thank you guys for watching. The link on the shop is going to be down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press notification bell for the next videos, and see you next time. Bye bye guys.